Hello everyone, welcome to Lucy Crochet Designer. Today we are going to make a bow using these colors, two colors, and you will need a crochet hook. This is 3.5. You'll need yarn. You'll need a darning needle. You'll need a pair of scissors to cut the excess yarn. This video I'm making it for those who watched a dress. I made a dress and it was not clear how to make a bow because that dress had a bow. Now I'm making this video for them and those who like to make it also. Welcome all. They requested for it. So I'm going to start with this color, this one, and let's get started. I'll be using double strand and a crochet hook of number 3.5. So let's get started. I'll start with a knot. Chain 17. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now yarn over, go to the next loop. We have 1, 2, then 3, make a double crochet. Yarn over in the next one, make double crochet. Yarn over in the next one, make double crochet. Yarn over in the next one, make double crochet. Now for the first row, we are making double crochets up to the end. In the last one, yarn over and make a double crochet. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Yarn over in the same space, make a double crochet. That's how you will be finishing your row and start another one. We'll finish with double crochet, then start with chain 1. In the same space, we'll make a double crochet. I'm very sorry for my camera. I don't know what happened to that dress, to that video. That's why I'm making another one to show you how to make the bow. I'm so sorry. Double crochet on top of double crochet. You see, we have reached at the end. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn your work. In the same space, you'll make 1 double crochet. That's how you'll be ending and start another row. Now I'm going to make 6 inches. I think that will be 12 rows of of double crochets, it will make 6 inches. Sorry, I didn't mention you need a tape measure, because for me I'm making a 6 inches bow. For the rows, we'll make 12 rows of double crochets. Let's meet at the end and know what next. Here we are. I have this piece already. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now what you'll do, you'll chain 2 and cut off the yarn. Cut off the yarn, pull it through and tight it. Like that. Now we are crossing over to color pink to make another piece, because we need 2 pieces. To start this one, it is the same method. You'll make a knot and make a chain of 14. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Yarn over and go to the 3rd loop, make a double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3rd one, make a double crochet. The next one, make a double crochet, and you will use the same method we used on the color green, but color pink we will make 10 rows of double crochets. Make 10 rows of double crochets. In the last one, make a double crochet, chain 1, turn your work, yarn over in the same space, make a double crochet. In the next one, make double crochet, and this pattern will repeat itself. Make this one a 10 rows of double crochets. Let's meet there and know what next. Now you have this one already done. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chain 2, cut off the excess yarn, pull it through and tight it. That way you can go on and hide the excess yarn. That way. Then you cut off the excess yarn. Now you have two pieces. You have two pieces. You have one for 12 rows. You have one for 10 rows. The reason why I made this one 12 is because it will be down or in, so this one will be up, and I want the color green to pop or to peep. Now we are putting the color pink on top, and it should be excess with one row this side, one row this side. It will be like this. Now it's time to make our bow. You'll fold it into two. We'll fold it into two like this. And we'll go to the center or in the middle. It will be like this. It will be like this. Now it's time to use our darning needle. We'll start with kind of wrapping it. You will do it severally. As much as you want it to be. Then you make it tight. And this is our bow, how it will look like. I hope you like it. If you get it useful, please thumbs up, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you all, and you are all welcomed.